Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, yesterday was an amazing day because we got into some real good profit. Now, why did it happen? Because the market was completely flat throughout the day. In fact, till the end of, I think, till the last half an hour, the markets were in the same range of between 18,640 to 18,660. So that range was kind of maintained, and being a flat day, we got a lot of decay on what we do, that is the option selling, and that actually has garnered some good profit, decent profit for this week. So apart from that, if you look at what happened in the market yesterday, there was no real power in the market. The market was kind of steady, but then one good thing I would say is the range that we spoke about, the 18600, 18500, 600 range, that range is being respected. So yesterday, multiple times it came down to a low of 18,640 level, and from there again, it is market is trying to move up. So this is a kind of good sign because that shows that people are feeling that this could be a good support zone. So that can be a good thing to watch. But then that also marks one important level to us, that if at all this level is broken, there are chances of the market going bearish for temporarily, I mean for a short term. So that is something that's something that we can speak about about the market, about what happened yesterday. But if you look at a few other news, we could yesterday I had spoken about how the steel stocks could see the benefit, and we could see Hindalco up by more than 1.5%, Tata Steel up. So most of the stocks have actually done kind of well yesterday. And interestingly, the IT sector also has done kind of decently well yesterday. So Infosys was also up yesterday, TCS was up. So overall, it was kind of a decent support from IT sector and metal sector, I would say. But something which is unusual is the Bank Nifty is kind of seeing some resistance. So Bank Nifty has been kind of underperforming for quite some time now. So it looks like it should probably take some support soon and start moving somewhere. So it is very important to know that whenever there is a day of consolidation, like there's a tight consolidation where the movement is so low, it can happen that the market could see a big movement. So there could be a big movement. However, we don't know where it can turn to. It could be either a breakdown, a big fall, or a big rise. But at this point of time, it looks like market is more inclined towards a rise from here. So that is my expectation. So I've kind of kept my calls slightly lower on the and a little heavier on the put side. But then, of course, if at all market goes against me and goes down, of course, I will have my adjustments done to ensure that I don't end up in big losses. In fact, that's why I always say we cannot ever predict the market, but just anticipate. So we just take trades based on our anticipation, and that helps us kind of make sure that we are, getting some profit if what we anticipate is right, and we make small losses when it goes wrong against us. So that's a trading mentality. But then, of course, I'm not encouraging you to trade, but I would tell you, if at all you're interested in trading, you should actually take time to learn and be patient enough to lose some money as a part of learning cost, and probably spend some time 1 to 2 years practicing it, and then only get into do it. Because I see a lot of people actually promoting trading, which I'm really not for, because I've seen a lot of amateurs who come into the market, lose a lot of money, and then go. So have the basics right. Please ensure that you don't get into trading. Trading is get rich quickly game. So it is very difficult. I would say one of the most difficult way to make money in the market is by trading. The most easiest being just investing. So coming back to investing, so investing, of course, this is a good time to invest if you have not done that, because I see good stocks coming up at good prices. In fact, you should start off with even a small case or even a mutual fund to start off your investment equity side. I'm sure it would yield amazing results as we go. So that is some expectation over there. In fact, if you need support for any of your investment mutual fund or stocks, just connect with us. We will help you completely free of cost. So of course, you know how to connect with us. Just go to our website mpinvest.com and schedule a meeting with us, or just send a WhatsApp message on the number that you have on the screen. So apart from that, if you look at the market today, so after Indian markets closed, the US markets opened kind of negative, and most of the US markets were not enthusiastic, almost flat, I would say, but finally closed with a slight negative. So as we speak, I am looking at SGX 50. It is kind of indicating a flat opening with maybe a small gap up or a gap down. But then things can change because today I'm making this report a little early, so things might change by 9 o'clock when the market actually opens. So there are chances things can change after Asian market. Asian markets are actually right now trading mixed, so no much cues from that side as of now. So that's it for now. Today is also the Fin Nifty expiry, and tomorrow is a holiday, and day after tomorrow is a monthly expiry. So today markets can be really volatile. That is one thing. But if you look at some stock specific, I would say Tata Consumer, have a watch on the stock. Looks like something big is going to happen there. Of course, I've got some investment there, a decent investment there. So looking forward to some good move on that side. So that's it for now. I think ABFRL is also under stock, which is actually looking good at this point of time. So these are two stocks which is actually looking good. Again, no recommendations. Do make your analysis before you invest. But of course, if you need support, you can come back to us. So that's it for now. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. Goodbye. Have a great day ahead. And but before you leave, first do press the like button if you love the content, right, that we share. So goodbye. Have a great day.